Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply a drag clone body effect in CapCut apps. So tap on your project, select the video you want to edit. Because this effect is suitable for the video. Alright, so I'm going to select my project and there is a video that I added and I'm going to split before. So in this section, just tap on the clip, select split. Alright, select the effect and select body effect and select clone, so you can find the drag clone. Tap on it and you can tap on it again to adjust for the option and then click check mark. So this is the final effect you'll have on your video. Yeah, but this is a pro effect, so you have to join CapCut Pro to be able to use this effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.